In this video, we're going to show you how to get started with Livestorm, the powerful platform for hosting live webinars, virtual events, and video meetings. Whether you're a marketer looking to connect with your audience or a business owner hosting an online training, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to hit the ground running. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a way for you to try Livestorm for free with some exclusive bonuses that'll help you get even more value. Once you sign up for Livestorm, you'll land on your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. From here, you can quickly create and manage your events. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your event. Click on Create New Event, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of event you want to host. Livestorm supports webinars, on-demand videos, and meetings, so pick the one that fits your needs. For webinars and meetings, you can customize the registration page, add your logo, and choose from different templates. It's simple, intuitive, and gives you the flexibility to align your event with your branding. A little tip here. Make sure your registration page is eye-catching and clear about the event's value. This is where you will start capturing your audience's attention, and Livestorm makes it easy to customize it to match your brand. Once you've set up your event, it's time to dive into the settings. Livestorm gives you complete control over your event's structure. You can set up different time zones for attendees, manage registration requirements, and even create custom email notifications to remind your attendees about the event. Speaking of emails, you can also use the platform to send follow-ups post-event, which is essential for nurturing leads or delivering content related to the webinar. Next up is the actual event itself. Livestorm has a clean, user-friendly interface for hosts and attendees. When it's time to start the event, you'll be taken to your live session where you can present your slides, engage with your audience, and interact with attendees through live chat and Q&A. You can even run polls or surveys to gather real-time feedback. One of Livestorm's standout features is its ability to integrate with various marketing tools like CRM systems, email platforms, and even analytics tools. This means you can track engagement, monitor attendee behavior, and tie it back to your business goals, whether that's generating leads, making sales, or improving customer retention. And here's something you'll definitely want to know. Livestorm's analytics give you in-depth insights into how your event performed. You'll see data on how long people attended, how they interacted, and what content resonated with them. This is crucial if you're looking to improve future events and understand your audience better. Another reason why Livestorm stands out is its simplicity. You don't need technical expertise to run an event on this platform. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, the process is straightforward and doesn't require a lot of resources to get started. If you're new to hosting events online, this ease of use is a huge benefit. Now, before you go, don't forget that you can try Livestorm completely free using the first link in the description below. On top of that, we've got an exclusive extended free trial for you, giving you even more time to explore all of Livestorm's features and see how they can transform your online events. So, whether you're just getting started with Livestorm or you're looking to improve your next virtual event, this platform has everything you need to make it a success. From seamless event creation to advanced analytics, Livestorm makes it easy to host and manage high-quality online events. Check the link in the description for your free trial and exclusive bonuses, and start making your virtual events more engaging and effective today.